Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your lock screen clock on your Android. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings and scroll down until you see wallpaper and style. So you just want to click on that. Now at the top left you'll have the lock screen option, so just click on that. And all you have to do is actually click on the clock and time. And this will bring up an option of where you can drag it out to increase the size or decrease the size, whatever suits you best. You can obviously move it around on the screen as well. Then below that you'll be able to change the font of the time. So you can change that to whatever you like. And below that there'll be different options of different layouts. So again, just pick whatever suits you best on that. And if you scroll down a bit more, you should also have the option to show weather information, so you can either toggle that on or off. And then below that, you can change the colour of the text as well. So once you're happy with all that, all you have to do is select Done on the top right hand side, and that will change the clock layout for you. Thanks for watching.